BootDaddy. What's going on, BootDaddy?
Oh, not
What's
much,
up, Big
Mr. Larry. You know what? The bell is up.
The
Larry's,
bell? Oh,
the bell.
Is it being rung?
It is being rung. The Larry's Country Diner bell.
With
People
great
are-
regularity?
Yes, and the people
Absolutely,
are walking
every
in,
day.
ringing the bell, and when you ring the bell, you get a free bottle of BootDaddy barbecue sauce.
I love it.
And it's a working. Of course, we love all the people that come through the store and tell us stories and ask me how Gus and Ann's doing and bring this. Can you bring
Where do
this to
they at?
Larry? You know, it's no problem. We enjoy it. And they always ask me where Gus got his shirts. You know, I don't know why, but they talk about Gus and Ann all the time. But anyway, we really appreciate them all coming through. And, of course, on the way to Branson.
Yep.
You know, and I think you're just got a couple more weeks.
Yep.
And you're going to be down there with Rhonda Vincent, Gene Watson, the Malpass Brothers.
Yep.
Jimmy Fortune, and Mo Pitney.
Mo Pitney.
22nd to the 27th.
Yep.
So you're going to come down to Branson. And, of course, you're going to come back and see us at PFI in Springfield, Missouri.
That's right.
Paul, tell us about some
Get
boots.
your free barbecue sauce. Yeah. So this week we've got Ariat again on the show. One of our most comfortable boots. One of the most comfortable boots in the industry. Two new ones that came in. This is called the Cowhand. It's got the ATS Pro Comfort insole in it. If you've never put your foot in an Ariat, you got to. Go to a store near you. Come to us. Do whatever you have to. But once you put your foot in one of these kind of boots, you'll see the difference. And I brought a different little shoe. It's called the Terrain. This is a waterproof shoe. So they make all kinds of product. This one, if you're cleaning stalls or just going to town, whatever, hiking, but it does have a heel, so it does go in a stirrup. So carries all the bells and whistles that all the Ariat product has. You know, Ariat makes apparel. They do everything across the board from head to toe for anybody with a Western lifestyle.
Right.
So you can go to BootDaddy.com and check out all those products there.
And Larry, I looked on the way this morning before I left Missouri, and we have 36,000 pairs of boots. Do you know that?
All of them waterproof?
Almost all of them waterproof. Just don't
Hopefully
get in the water
a few
that
less
much.
by the
Yeah.
time we got here.
Hopefully they get here. Of course, it's our 44th year, and Ann? What? Got to get, Ann is calling today. Colin's on vacation, so Ann's calling.
it's PFI, Springfield, Missouri, home of BootDaddy.
You're much prettier than Colin.
Well, thank you. BootDaddy.com.
That's
Way to
right.
go. Thanks,
Thanks,
Larry.
Ann.
Not to be confused with TartarUSA.com.
Exactly. You're doing so well.
I am.
What did it take? 3-4 years?
And the overnight stay in a hospital will probably get me there.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you very much.